Cloves and evergreen trees, Syzygium aromaticum, have fragrant dry flower buds. It is used prominently in Asian countries. Cloves are native to the Maluku Islands of Indonesia. Cloves, like other spices originating in Asia, also have many medicinal properties. Not only clove buds but also clove oil is also used as a medicine for many diseases. Cloves contain many nutrients that are beneficial to our health. Cloves are low in calories and cholesterol. It is also a good source of vitamin E, alpha-tocopherol, calcium and iron, and a very good sources of dietary fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, and manganese. Clove works to enhance the taste with its aroma, while it also works to cure many diseases that have been bothering you for a long time. The antioxidants and antibacterial ingredients in it keep you healthy. 1. Cold and cough. Cloves are warm in taste. Cloves are mainly used to cure viral infections like colds. It is antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antioxidant, and antiseptic properties, which act to relieve colds and colds. 2. Toothache. By taking clove flowers and clove extracts orally, bacteria in the mouth and pathogens can be controlled. These bacteria are the major cause of various oral diseases. According to one study, clove oil is very effective in removing dental problems. You can use clove oil to reduce toothache. In the affected area, give a light massage with clove oil. That's why cloves are a major ingredient in most toothpaste. 3. Digestive health. Cloves contain many digestive juices. It plays a major role in digestion. Also, the elements present in it kill the bacteria present in the stomach. This reduces the risk of any type of infection occurring in the stomach. To remove digestive problems, you can roast cloves, make powder, or eat with honey. 4. Bone health. Cloves contain calcium, vitamin C, and magnesium, which relieve pain in muscles and bones as well as reduce inflammation in them. It provides strength to bones and muscles. 5. Regulate blood sugar. The compounds found in long are successful in controlling blood sugar. Clove extracts help control insulin and blood sugar levels in some ways. Clove extracts suppressed increased blood sugar levels in type 2 diabetic mice. 6. Relaxation in the respiratory. The aroma of clove oil is so strong that sniffing it provides instant relief in problems like colds, phlegm, asthma, bronchitis, sinusitis, etc. 7. Cardiovascular diseases. Clove has the ability to prevent cardiovascular diseases such as heart attacks and strokes. Because it contains powerful phytonutrients that protect our bodies from these problems. 8. Cancer. The medicinal properties of cloves prevent tumors from growing and eliminate cancer cells. Clove is a great source of antioxidants, which protect us from inflammation and cancer. 9. Healthy liver. Cloves have high amounts of antioxidants. Due to their presence, the medicinal properties of cloves protect the liver from free radicals. 10. Natural painkiller. Clove is an excellent natural painkiller to reduce pain. Eugenol oil present in it is very beneficial in relieving toothache. It has antibacterial properties which it is now used in making various types of toothpaste, mouthwashes, and creams. 11. Reduce stress. One benefit of clove is also to relieve stress. Clove works as an effective medicine in relieving stress-related problems. Nutrients and minerals present in cloves control stress-causing hormones in the brain. If you want to relieve stress, then drink clove tea. 12. Headache. You will be surprised to know that this is an effective remedy even in terrible pain like a migraine. Clove is effective like paracetamol in case of headache. 13. Arthritis. This medicine is very old and has been going on for centuries. And we have also heard my grandmothers saying that the pain will disappear as soon as the clove is passed. 14. Treatment of nausea. Sometimes due to stomach problems, nausea and vomiting are the problems. The benefits of cloves are effective to get rid of this problem. 15. Boost immunity. Due to its antiviral properties and its ability to purify the blood, it prevents many diseases. Apart from this, cloves are also found to have antioxidants that work to remove free radicals from the body. 16. Sexual. It is believed that consuming cloves is beneficial for men's sexual health. It can protect men from problems like early ejaculation when consumed regularly. The scent made using cloves in aromatherapy recommend for increased sexual power. 17. Increasing testosterone. The use of clove is also helpful in increasing testosterone in men. According to studies, regular intake of cloves in very small amounts can increase the sexual ability of men. 18. Joint pain. Clove oil used for joint pain since the 13th century.